In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Slack Huddle, a full 2025 guide on using this powerful tool to streamline your remote communications. Huddles offer a spontaneous way to start an audio conversation in any Slack channel, making it an essential feature for teams who rely heavily on quick check-ins or impromptu discussions. Let's dive right in and learn how to make the most out of Slack Huddles. First, you need to select a channel where you want to initiate a huddle. This can be any channel you're a member of, whether it's for your whole team, a smaller project group, or just between you and a colleague. Picking the right channel is crucial because everyone in that channel will be notified that a huddle is starting. This ensures you connect with the right members who need to be part of the conversation. Once you've selected your channel, the next step is to click on the huddle icon. This icon is usually found at the bottom left corner of your Slack interface, represented by a pair of headphones. Clicking on this will immediately start the huddle session. It's designed to be intuitive, so you can get into your audio call without fussing with complicated settings. Everyone in the selected channel will receive an invitation to join the huddle, providing a seamless transition from text to voice communication. After you've initiated the huddle, you're already halfway there. Congratulations, you've successfully started a session. At this point, participants can join in, allowing you to have a free-flowing conversation just like you would in a regular office meeting. Remember, huddles are audio first, which means your conversation partners won't see each other on video. This can be a great way to keep focus on the discussion, minimize distractions, and still feel connected. While you're in the huddle, you'll notice various options available to customize your experience. For instance, you can share your screen, which can be incredibly useful for collaborative tasks or when you need to present something to the group quickly. There's also an option to invite more people if you need to bring others into the conversation swiftly. This flexibility can help accommodate shifting meeting dynamics, ensuring the right people have a seat at the table as discussions evolve. Finally, keep in mind that keeping huddles informal and spontaneous can contribute significantly to their effectiveness. They're not meant to replace scheduled meetings, but rather complement them by offering a platform for quick exchanges or problem-solving sessions without the need for prior arrangement. By integrating Slack Huddles into your daily workflow, you can foster a more interactive and collaborative environment. That's it for today's guide. Now, go ahead and give it a try in your workspace to experience the benefits firsthand.